Dear craftsman, contractor, builder, architect, let's discover Enae. Aware of the challenges that sustainable construction represents, for you, Weber is innovating once again with Enae, a new range of industrial mortars with a reduced CO2 footprint and/or a reduced content of virgin non-renewable raw materials. For over 100 years, our teams have been by your side, listening to you, paying close attention to your needs, providing you with ever more reliable, effective and comfortable solutions, helping you achieve your best performance. Today, with Enae, we are going one step further, because our promise is to allow you to do your job better while enabling you to contribute to a better future for you and your loved ones. Our teams have focused their efforts on raw materials, the main sources of CO2 emissions during the full life cycle of our products. To limit the use of exhaustible natural resources such as limestone, clay or sand, Enae also integrates alternative raw materials such as recycled content or byproducts, without ever compromising the strong standards that are Weber's DNA: quality, ease of use and safety. Discover Enae, Weber's guarantee of quality and excellence combined with environmental performance. Enae, the reference for those taking action today for tomorrow's world.